Let's trust the hoo-ha feather.
Wait, on the moon, on the moon. Okay.
I'm gonna start it. Yeah, because you saw.
Oh, Reggie, too. Use quantum entanglement on the boost. Turn off your flashlight. Go to dark place. No, it's all like barely lit up. Whoa! What the?
What the freaker?
What's the story? Are you go?
Oh! Free items! Free item, free item! And Dweller. Wow.
Wow! You're not going to the blue portal.
Why not, bro?
I don't have lunar coin.
I do.
Wait, how much lunar coins do you have? How much? 31?
Yes.
Oh my, you could have gotten a new card. Oh.
But you fucking clicked it. You suspicious, man.
Found chat. Thank you.
Oh. I got more gold than you. So.
Proof.
Ah.
Wait a minute. Sorry.
Bro.
Take care.
Oh.
You're too slow. English child.
I want the feathers.
I want that.
Hooha, hooha.
As someone with context knowledge, they call it the hooha.
Hooha ka rin. Hooha. I know you love hooha.
Now you
You do?
do. You do.
Oh! Stop that. Stop that.
The Sunless City. After revisit the Sunless City.
You see, it's Sunjin Woo, bro. Sunjin Woo. You're gonna visit solo leveling. Are you ready to do this?
Bro, you're too slow.
Oh my god, bro.
It's Victor is dying. Your balls are dying.
Yeah, bro, you got nothing.
Your balls.
Oh,
Thank you.
Bro, no. Yeah, thank you, bro.
Wait, no, that's good. We exchange. Because that's focus. The closer you are to that.
Trade, the beat trade.
The reshape. Where's my rhomboid sticker?
Rumbar sticker. Oh, that's dramatic.
I think I'm done. Let's go.
Get in.
What is? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
God.
Oh my god.
Oh, genuinely God.
An item is waiting for you at the middle.
Never get done.
Yeah. Electric Nova.
Oh, when I'm low health, well, I guess we'll never see it. My 5th time playing it. My 5th one.
Are we dead?
Ever. No. I'm dead serious. I'm old. I'm so serious. I'm so SRS right now.
Wait.
What is that?
gosh, I'm dying.
What did I do?
Dino is sequence. What are you doing?
I'm sus sequence. Haha, no, bro. I don't know what that means, bro. I don't know. I don't know.
Why
wait, I
have
just
left
lost
items?
all my stuff. Oh, I have 9 focus crystals. That's cool. What is the old war? The
The uncle. Gone.
Thank you.
Everybody, stop it up.
Stop! I'm sorry. Someone is seeing this right now. Buy me Discord Nitro.
What?
Reggie, if you're watching the video,
Please, we need it.
please buy me Garden Warfare 2.
That's right. What is Joseph's son doing over here? What?
What?
What did you just think? What was that?
Wow.
Fuck wham.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Achievement. W achievement. Oh my gosh.
Where?
Scrapper. I don't need to scrap anything. I love all my people.
Yeah. Where is the teleporter?
Bro, it was like, oh my god. Where are you going? This way.
Minuscule things.
I wanna go to the blue portal. E. Ah, it's so bright. Oh my gosh. What
Dude,
is
my
it?
eyeball!
Why is it so bright?
Are we going to win? What is going on?
I'm looking in the bazaar.
Oh shoot!
What did I purchase from the bazaar?
Wait, go find the new. You want a new character?
Push me.
Alright. Fuck this guy.
Oh, my brightness!
Wow, is that a random hacker?
This one's really good.
You die.
Wow, I didn't lose a single focus system. I'm trying to buy stuff, but chill. Is there anything good here? Bro!
We're kicked out! Oh!
Oh! Can we? Oh, come on!
What's that? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you didn't get shit done. You suck.
Electric. Let's up. Hey. This is mine. No!
I'm out of here. Oh yeah, I have aura glasses. I'm like Gojo Sakura. I'm like Rengoku, bro. Sorry, God.
Alright.
Wrong button.
The quantum moon awaits your arrival. Help us! Thank you.
Oh! Be achievement.
Encore!
Help! Encore is on top is the key move. Bro, what did you get launched? Oh! What did you get launched? Oh! Fast enough. What is this thing?
To go to back. ARP.
Wanna break this wall, bro. Ranking planet, like best to win.
Giant team.
Yeah, bro. The who happened? The who happened? Ooh. Yeah.
Final sting.
Maybe. I'm here.
Are you ready? Here we go.
Oh my gosh, you're flying!
Oh, we're chilling.
No, I forgot.
Think.
Which planet could this lead to?
Look at this stuff.
Has the weight.
You're not an ordinary fella.
Because all we do is talk about who happened.
Wait, much better, but one
Grab my heart.
Oh. Lola.
open! Oh my god! Oh,
No jokes for you, buddy. Help! I'm going to the void.
Wonderful.
Somebody help me. I'm gonna die.
where are you going?
Wait, genuinely help me. Genuinely help me. Go. Wait, is this the way up? Me up.
Legend. You are a
Oh,
legend.
you defeat oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm dead, bro. Okay, I'm going away.
Die. I killed us, the lost control unit.
Hadouken! Oh, and again. Oh,
Why do we just kill everything so fast? What the?
oh, I'm gonna disappear.
You died. How you died?
I got launched. Oh, which better?
Stop it up, bro.
Mistake.
Oh,
Oh,
you
he's
died.
dead. I got you.
Oh, you.
I got you. I got you. I got you.
Die, bro. Wait, back. Good. Well, I'm proud of I can't, man. Wait, if I'm here,
Oh, bro, same vein.
Oh, God. I don't know what.
Okay, wait. You think I can get?
Wait,
You think I
pala.
can make it to that minute?
You can play as the animatronic or the other things.
Come on, I can make it.
You can't, it's impossible.
Come on. Wait, actually. No.
Hey, you want it? Rivalry sheet. I don't know why it's here.
Eat it.
And I got kicked. And... Oh my god. Oh, because all of your drones are there. Oh, you're done. You're done. It's over. You're done. Are you sure?
Oh, that. Somebody help me.
Use your abilities, man. You have like a million gazillion abilities. Okay, you got the left. Okay, you're good. Okay.
Oh,
Blocky break.
oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Just on me, my friend.
Use your ultimate. Roll. Yep, all your money is gone. Alright, get bro solo the boss.
Oh.
Oh, what the?
That's boss, Please. 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 Yes. Like.
You were dealt a bad hand.
Oh my god. Oh my days, man. Okay, no skips, right? No skips. Right, maybe some skip. Some skips, I said. Right, that's fine. Obliterate yourself from existence. Should I be doing that? Yes. That is it. P. Oh shoot. Um. Um. Yo. Wait, do I have to go back? Are you sure? I did it. Oh. GG. GG's absolute cinema. Absolute cinema.